me. My name is Abdul. I'm the CEO of Makai Travel Tour, Senegalese Travel Movement. I just want to send this message to all my African American brothers and sisters. You know what I'm saying? And I'm Senegalese. I was born and raised here. You know what I'm saying? So I want everybody to come home. So I know a lot of people on the social media be saying that, you know, Africans don't like African American. It's not true. That's a bunch of lie. I'm out here in Senegal with my brother Charles from New Jersey. And since the day when he touched down this country, people are showing love. We going to the village. We in the city. You know what I'm saying? We be with the locals. We go in the club. We be out. We be everywhere. Like I say, Senegal's, the doors wide open for all the African Americans. You know what I'm saying? You want to invest? Welcome home. You want to visit? Welcome home, brother. This is home. So I want to invite everybody to come visit. See out for yourself, man. All right? Peace.
Tell them come home in Wolof. Tell them come home in Wolof.
ñëw leen fii mooy kër gi Sénégal fii mooy kër gi ñëw leen. Yeah, that mean come home family. All right.